Left lane for the win. Backpack right there. Coming up next in the right lane, we have a LSA supercharge from a ZL1. Yes, sir, that's right. This thing is badass. It has a parachute on it. Massive burnout coming up next in the left lane here. Ford Mustang. Burnout with the bead lock wheels on it. License plate says Bed 100. Oh yeah, this thing here is LSA supercharged. LS motor. Hoosier tires. Fuel cell on the back, big fuel pump, ice tank, nitrous bottle. Oh yeah, this thing has it all. Sniper Holly. Oh yeah, dude, this thing has a freaking Holly Sniper freaking throttle body on it.
Supercharger and nitrous.
Yeah, it's like my Mustang, dude.
Yeah.
Supercharger and nitrous. Sort of the same setup.
2 kits?
2 kits.
You got 2?
I have 2 kits, dude.
We're gonna get you a 3rd one then.
We're gonna get 3 kits, guys.
Stick it under the driver's seat so nobody can see it.
Yeah, dude. We're gonna fuck you on that one.
Scramble button. We're gonna look at a scramble button. We're gonna do a huge YouTube about it. But we're not going to tell anybody until after we race a bunch of people and make money on it.
Yeah, we're going to fucking sneak you guys. We're going to have 3 kits on it until you have 2. Yeah, that really fuck you guys.
That'll get them.
To get an extra couple hundred out of him.
But when you start to go right past him, they're going to go, what the hell? I thought I had him.
Yeah.
I thought that was all he had.
Yeah, I'll be out here tomorrow. Messmaker has split personalities, dude. Do you know Messmaker?
No.
Yeah, he's the guy that makes mess. Freaking awesome.
Look how funny, he's hilarious, man.
Right lane, guys, pulls it off. He held the nitrous all the way to the end. This guy's hunching someone. I don't know who he's hunching. He's showing he's pumping something.
Don't play with me.
look out, y'all. Make sure y'all share. Ain't nothing wrong with sharing. Sharing is caring. Oh, we got Yoshi over here, y'all. Man, that's what I'm on. I don't even know where I got it from. Well, that sticky pistol is sticky. They might need to use that. Frank, it's me. If you're watching this, hit the like button. It's free. Y'all pick a side. Who gonna win? Ooh-wee. Well, you knocked that shortage in that light. We hit this button. Where y'all going, y'all? Get your minds made up.